Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get acorns in Breath of the Wild. Acorns are a versatile item in Hyrule, useful for both cooking and earning some extra rupees. You'll primarily find them by interacting with the wildlife, specifically the small, quick creatures that inhabit the game's many forests. Knowing where to look and what to do will make collecting them much easier and more efficient for your adventures. The best places to find acorns are generally in forested regions across Hyrule. Areas around Kakariko Village and Hateno Village are particularly good spots, as squirrels frequently appear there. Keep an eye out for these small creatures scurrying around trees and on the ground. Sometimes, you might even hear them before you see them, so pay attention to the sounds of the environment. To collect acorns efficiently, your best bet is to use a bow and arrow. This allows you to take down squirrels from a distance without startling them. While any weapon will work, an arrow provides a quick and clean defeat, ensuring the acorn drops. Remember to pick up the acorn right away, as they are small and can be easily overlooked in the grass or underbrush. Happy hunting! Once you've gathered your acorns, you have a couple of options. You can cook them into various dishes to restore Link's health, or you can sell them to merchants for a modest sum of rupees. They're a great way to supplement your income early in the game. For those looking to improve their financial thinking, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a resource that could truly change your perspective on wealth and personal finance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.